not getting me. I don't know what you're doing, but
Maybe if y'all came from the other side. Oh, Lord. Damn.
He went back in the fence.
you little idiot. Look at him. You a moron.
He's afraid. He don't know you.
I don't care. Great. Now he's stuck in the stupid hole again.
No, we can flush him out again.
Ow. Man, that. Freaking I hate you. Let me stop talking.
I can't even see him anyway.
What's this?
Come here, baby. Come here, baby. There you go. Good. Good. There you go.
Oh, Lord.
Ooh,
Where's
she's-
she at? Right
She's
there.
coming at us. Look at her.
Don't trust her. She's been trying to get us for the longest time. Oh, Lord. Can you stop? Go back that way.
No. Shay. I think we're going to scare the thing to death.
No.
It's probably gonna be traumatized and die.
You know what?
Oh, I probably shouldn't say that
You know
on video.
what? Maybe I can put that.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, my
All
God.
right. Maggie.
Okay, get him set there. He's out in the open.
Where's Frank? Why are you saying Frankie?
I don't know.
You should have had that basket to drop over the top of him when he.
I know. We're not gonna hurt you. Stupid baby. We're trying not to.
Got it.
Look at them. You see them? They mean little things. Y'all just better stay over there.
But where's the
Okay,
nest?
videotape this. We don't know where the nest is. That's the problem.
He's gonna hop out of that. Oh, you're gonna put it over the.
I
Hold
think
up.
he's still in there.
Yep. There you go. Hold up. You made my thing.
But where's the nest? That's the problem. Oh, the nest is there. You can't even get to it. Do you see it?
Nope.
Look right there. See right in there. Isn't that a nest?
Oh, that is a nest, but I don't know if
Where?
that's a bee nest. No, right here on the tip.
See, hanging on the tip of the tree.
See that?
Oh.
Nope. Don't make it there.
All right.
So,
You're going to put it in the tree. As far up as I can.
Yeah, but they won't be able to put it into the nest.
But it can bounce on the
yeah, he's
branches.
good once he's up in the branches. He's fine.
You get on the branches.
Cynthia, hurry up, please. I don't want him, freaking out and dying in there.
Oh, poor thing.
It would be nice if Ricky could protect us from the birds.
Protect you? Protect? What do you mean protect you?
They will attack.
All they can do is peck you, and they only got little beaks.
I don't. You don't want
Pecking can hurt.
Well, y'all told me to record the video, so.
Oh, yeah, they're going to hand me a
I'm
box.
no,
You
I'm
better have me-
trying to get up here.
Ow.
These branches, they're in the way, so I don't know how you plan on doing it without. Careful.
Ow.
Please don't fall, little birdie. How high can I get these damn branches?
You can't get him high enough. That's gonna be the problem. I think he's just gonna flop back down to the ground. Look at this.
I mean, maybe in some way he can hop back up.
Ooh, if you saw what was at your feet,
Frankie, don't say that.
you would be freaking out right now.
Don't say that.
God.
What is wrong with you?
I'm videotaping it.
Don't. And don't videotape my feet.
I'm not videotaping your feet, I'm videotaping the bug.
No.
I think it's a
You're supposed to
cicada.
be videotaping us.
Ah.
A stupid baby.
See,
Look at this idiot.
I told you it was gonna flop right
You
back
stupid
down to
little
the
bird.
ground.
You stupid
I don't know how it's possible to get him up where he needs to be.
Oh, Jesus.
Unless you take the long ladder we have.
But it doesn't, we can't get up past the branches. Look, higher.
No, I'm saying from the outside.
Look at it.
Know what I'm saying?
You were up there, you little stinker. But no.
I think this here is messing me up. Maybe I should have just kept them in the net and then just let them out.
Yeah, but he can't. These aren't blue jays. What are these birds?
Yes, they
No, they're not.
Frankie, look
They're
it
not
up.
even blue.
They're, oh my God.
They're brown jays.
I'm trying to help you, but I can't. Your baby's stupid.
I'm scared. Get this thing, please.
No, I said I'm trying. Yeah, my husband,
I know.
ridiculous. Don't put them in the basket. Just put them up there with the thing. I said if you had one of those things to take the fish out of a tank with.
Okay.
You got him again?
See if you could just put him on one of these branches because maybe it's a little more stable.
Get the
Maybe
ladder.
Maybe he can climb.
See, but he needs to go there.
Oh, I ain't getting up there. They ain't
No.
having it. They ain't putting the, and I'm not putting an extension ladder up there either.
Oh,
No.
I'm stuck. I am so gonna have to take a shower. I got crap all over me.
I don't understand. I don't know.
I'm just gonna put them on the thickest branch I can, like right there.
And what? And how
Look at
you?
that branch. He can climb. Once he gets his footing, he's fine. Erica, no, you gotta open up the ladder and put it right there, not over here, over there, because the branches are thick right there.
The branches are thick everywhere. That's what you get for living in
He's just gonna flop back down.
Now I can't see where he is.
Me either. Yeah, like bunch up some land and just let it loose.
He's coming out. There he goes, but he's coming right back. He's right there on the branch now.
Stay there.
You come down.
Yeah, you can come down, and you can go to your baby, but I don't know what you're gonna do with him.
Where is it? I don't see.
He's still right there on the
Oh, I
branch.
see. Go up there, stupid.
So move the ladder away.
Hop. Hop up. Hop up. You can do it. No, not down. Hop up. See, she's trying to get to him. But... Okay. Woo. See, they be bugging.
Oh, that really did come near my head, didn't
You
it?
sure did. They be bugging out. Come on, you can do it.
Well, we're not really, but he's got to climb up.
He is, though. He's taking his time. I know he's gonna make it. He's trying to make sure he does.
Guide him, you crazy.
He's just trying to get to her. Okay, come on. You can do it.
I can't even tell if I'm filming it.
I see him now.
He's safer up there than he is on the ground.
But this little one I need to stay. Yeah, that boy fell out of the tree. And he must not have been in the net. But he fell over there.
Probably trying to test his wings and he wasn't ready. At least she's able to communicate with him.
Mm-hmm. He said, oops, right on the rock. His little red tooth from days. He's like, I'm not moving. I'm just gonna stay right here. I think she's trying to get him to go up higher, but
I don't even see her now.
she's up there. She's like in those sections. I don't see her.
Oh, she's over there.
Oh, I see her. Why don't you? Okay, maybe we should just leave him alone. Maybe that's what the problem is.
Yeah.
She's like, I could go